So I'm up in my greenhouse today and I'm planting out sweet peas. I've got various different varieties that I'm planting for this year. I love the smell of them, I love the look of them, and January, February is the perfect time to sow them. So I'm going to show you what I do. So I've got, these are root trainers. Sweet peas tend to have really long roots, and if you plant them in a shallow seed tray, all the roots get tangled up. So I find it easier to plant in these or in slightly deeper pots. So these root trainers I've actually had for a few years and they have lasted pretty well. So just wiggle up in there, and then also squidge them in like that, and then slide that down in there. Wiggle it in. Before I had a greenhouse, I filled every windowsill in the house with the tomato plants or sweet peas. And I'm very lucky I've got a greenhouse now. Just gonna pop some compost in here. Fill up all those holes. So I've got 2 trays here prepared, and I am going to plant. So this is Fragrant Skies. So I shall plant this first. I should pour some into my hand and then literally just poke them in and cover with some soil. It's really easy. So there we go. We've got Fragrant Skies. I'm going to plant 8 of those. So I've got them in there. Cover that over, and then I've got a Sharpie and some little markers. So I shall write Fragrant Skies on both of those. And poke them in. So those 2 are done. And now I shall carefully fold those over. I've had problems in the greenhouse with, I think it's slugs, possibly mice, but actually I think it's slugs eating my seeds that I haven't used. So I've now got them in a plastic Tupperware that they can't get to. It's jolly irritating. So let's get some of these out. So these are called Distant Horizon Mix. They're a climbing variety, and I am going to plant 8 of these in here. So if I'm lucky enough, all 8 will be good, strong plants, but if I'm not, then actually I'm quite happy to have 5 or 6. There they go. Put those back in the packet, and again label those with Distant Horizons. I always love to label them, and then I know what I've got, and then when these have germinated and a sort of decentish size, I'll then repot them into bigger pots, and I'll know exactly what I've got. So I've got some blue velvet. These are left over from last year, and these are from a company called Mole Seeds. They tend to be much bigger quantities than the seeds that you can buy in the garden centre. These are online. I should plant those in here. Some people say you need to soak sweet pea seeds. but I never have, and I've always had great success with them. So again, I'm going to do 2 rows of these. Always important to label as you go, because I've got a brain like a sieve and I forget. Those are there. And then we have got, what have we got here? Mrs. R. Bolton. Remember, these are very pretty from last year. So I can plant 8 of these. I love being up in the greenhouse and just tinkering away. I think the neighbour's doing a bit of trimming. I don't know if you can hear. It's a little bit noisy. Right, so I've got those in there. And then my last ones I'm going to plant today is Innocent Mix. These are really fragrant and beautiful. So really easy to sow sweet pea seeds, and I shall show you as they germinate and watch them grow until we plant them out in the garden, and then in the summer we'll be picking them and enjoying their beautiful fragrant smells.